I woke up this morning with an idea of making money online. This determination comes from wanting to break free from the system. Oh, I want to be free and be able to afford luxury and a good life.
Nice.
So I hopped up on the internet to search for ways to make money online for beginners. And it has to be free as I don't have any money. So I searched and I searched until I got tired and almost gave up.
I almost gave up hope.
But then I remembered of a friend.
Introducing
ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard that right. This artificial intelligence is going to help us with generating ideas to make an income like the rest of the gang on the internet.
Cindy.
I asked ChatGPT to give me all the ideas in the world to make money online. And of course, it delivered.
And guess what? I love you. I love you. I love you.
Posting without showing your face. People are making thousands and thousands on YouTube without showing their faces or using their own voice.
It's very simple, and I think that's how you should do things in life.
YouTube automation is where channels like are getting views, and a lot of views from posting videos they create without showing their faces or using their own voice. As you can see, they're generating tons of money with the help of AI. So let's get started and make this money.
Big bank, small bank, I like to make money. All right.
Motivational quotes channel. So this niche on YouTube has been generating a lot of money, and it requires minimal time and efforts to create these videos. Don't worry, as you do not need money to make this video. Everything needed and everything that is going to be used on this creation video is free, so you can relax and sleep while you're making money. First, you need to have a YouTube channel. So head to Google and go to youtube.com. And when you're in youtube.com, go to sign up with your email and create a YouTube channel.
Oh my God! Wow!
Add a logo, tags, and headers. After you're done, we asked ChatGPT for famous quotes. There are many and there are plenty. So trust me, all you need to do is copy and paste. When you have found the quotes that you need, head to canvas.com and select videos. Put a background of your own liking and paste the motivational quotes you found in the internet. Customize your videos, adding effects, animation, transition. Repeat this process until you have 10 to 8-minute video, as you're going to need to be monetized to make money. Now that you're done with that, you need an audio for that. So you head to math.com and select the best AI voice. That is after going through all of them and finding the best one. After you've found it, use it, customize it to add pauses. When you're done, download the audio for your video. Then you head to your favorite video editor to complete your work. Edit your video and add necessary customization, then download your video and upload it on YouTube. After you have posted your video, head to canvas.com. This is where you're going to create your thumbnail. And here is when you use your creativity. You need to show us. You need to create a thumbnail that is going to make people click onto your video. Attracting people to watch your video.
Welcome to the fucking show.
When you're done, give your video a title relative to the subject. Then post and wait for your video to go viral.
we're going viral.
one is posting stories. I know you have seen this
Telling stories.
idea. Posting stories, history stories, kid stories, Bible stories, horror stories. The thing about this is people like listening to something. Let's say they're doing their work, they're cooking, they're cleaning, or even studying. They like distraction, and in this distraction, we need good distraction. So posting kids' videos, stories, and Bible stories, you can find these stories on the internet. You can ask ChatGPT for these stories, and when you find them, you head again to canvas.com, and it's free. You customize your stories, and then you go to math.com. This is where you're going to get an AI voicer who's going to help you narrate your story so that people can come. Rule number 1, always make your stories interesting, as all you need to do is keep your viewers entertained. And when you do that, they flock and you make money. All you need is Wi-Fi, Google, stock footages, Canvas, and an editing software. And when you're done, you post your work on YouTube. When you post your work on YouTube, you look for good thumbnails and good titles, and when that is done, you are ready to make some money. Alright guys, so see you on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to tell a friend. This channel has good plans. Bye bye.